in
Okay.
Clearfield and Hocking. Winter storm warning in effect from noon Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts.
That's
Some
fine.
brief mixing with sleet or freezing rain is also possible, with little to no ice accumulation expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Sunday.